Outside the Amazon warehouse. It's huge, massive, right? You got one in Sydney, you got one in Melbourne. It's humongous. Like, it just goes on and on and on and on forever and ever and ever. This is one based in Moorebank in Sydney, just about an hour away from from Sydney CBD, where we drove. But it's just humongous, and the logistics, the infrastructure they've built, it's $1 billion infrastructure, right? We've literally seen like 20 trucks now go in. DHL was just there a second ago dropping off packages. It could have been your package, right? If you sell on Amazon and your goods are here in Sydney, it could have been your package, right? But they've built such a logistic warehouse here where why would you not use it? Why would you store your goods at home or in your garage, right? Like eBay sellers, like the majority of eBay sellers. Why not take advantage of this $1 billion infrastructure with the barcodes on the products? They scan the barcodes, they know exactly where it is at all times. When your product is shipped or sold, it's shipped automatically. You know, they've got tracking numbers and everything, same day, next day delivery. Why would you try and do it yourself? There's no point doing it yourself. So take advantage of this infrastructure they've built, because this is the reason why they are the biggest and most profitable company in the world, because they've built this humongous giant. And there's trucks coming in and out all day. It just doesn't stop. And you see, Sydney is a relatively low traffic warehouse. In America, it's huge. It doesn't stop. Not many people know this, but when you do send your goods to Amazon, you actually have to book in the appointment, right? Especially in the US. Australia's kind of relaxed a little bit, but in the US, you actually have to you have to book an appointment to show this is the exact time my goods are going to arrive at the warehouse. So yeah, talk to you soon.